What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we're here with another natural hair tutorial. Of course, today we're working with Toyotress Hair. We will be installing these wand curl crochet hair. The color is pretty, the hair is pretty. I love the curls on this one. Honestly, this is it. If you want to see how I install these, then go ahead and check out the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Red wand curl crochet hair, and this is what it's looking like. We received 6 packs of hair with a crochet needle. It is moving, okay? It is moving. If you want to get this hair, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Toyotress Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the installation. So today I will be using my Let's Jam along with my super stretch elastic bands. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Once again, today's hair is from Toyotress Hair, and this is their wand curl crochet hair, and this is the finished look. Overall, I love the color mixture. I love how the curls are looking. I love the hair, honestly, and the fact that it's not like tangled up is a really big deal when it comes on to like crochet hair. This is the finished look and it's giving a really nice vibes. I love how it's looking. Pretty cute. It's super bouncy. I love it. If you want to get this hair, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Toyotress Hair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.